The color of a woman's vaginal area, including the labia, varies greatly from person to person and is influenced by many factors, including genetics, hormones, and age. The notion that the color of the vaginal area correlates to certain characteristics or behaviors is a myth, often perpetuated by misinformation. Here are some key facts to help clarify this topic. 1. Natural variation in skin color. The skin color of the vaginal area, like other parts of the body, is determined primarily by melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color. Women with darker skin tones tend to have darker vaginal areas, while women with lighter skin tones may have lighter genital regions. Melanin production. The amount of melanin in the skin varies between individuals, which is why some women have naturally darker labia or surrounding skin. This variation is completely normal and should not be a cause for concern. Ethnic and genetic differences. Skin tone differences in the genital region can be influenced by a person's ethnic background. Women of African, Hispanic, South Asian, and Middle Eastern descent, for example, may naturally have darker genital skin compared to women of European descent. 2. Hormonal changes. Hormones, especially estrogen, can affect skin pigmentation. Hormonal changes during puberty, pregnancy, menstruation, or menopause can lead to darker pigmentation in the vaginal area. These changes are part of the body's natural response to fluctuating hormone levels. During pregnancy, a phenomenon called hyperpigmentation can occur, where various areas of the body, including the genital region, become darker due to increased estrogen levels. This is a natural and temporary change. Age. Over time, hormonal changes associated with aging may also lead to darkening of the vaginal area. This is a normal part of the aging process for many women. 3. Friction and skin darkening. Friction can also contribute to darker skin in the vaginal area. Women who wear tight clothing, engage in frequent physical activity, or experience constant rubbing or chafing might notice darkening of the skin over time. Weight and activity level. Areas of the body that experience more friction, such as the inner thighs and genital area, may develop darker skin as a protective response to the continuous irritation. 4. Health implications. There is no medical evidence that the color of a woman's vaginal area is indicative of any specific health condition, sexual activity, or personal hygiene habits. However, if a woman notices sudden or unusual changes in skin color or texture in the genital region, it's important to consult a healthcare professional to rule out conditions like infections, dermatitis, or other skin issues. Hyperpigmentation disorders. Some women may experience hyperpigmentation due to skin conditions such as melasma or acanthosis nigricans, but these are typically associated with hormonal imbalances or metabolic conditions and should be evaluated by a doctor if there are concerns. 5. Cultural myths and misconceptions. There are many myths and misconceptions about the color of the vaginal area, often driven by unrealistic beauty standards or cultural stereotypes. These myths can lead to unnecessary insecurities or body image issues. It is important to understand that variation in skin color is normal and does not correlate with sexual activity, health, or hygiene. Conclusion. The darker or lighter color of a woman's vaginal area is primarily a result of genetics, hormonal changes, and friction. There is no scientific basis for the idea that darker genital skin holds any particular meaning beyond these natural factors. As with any body-related concern, women should prioritize body positivity, avoid falling for myths, and seek medical advice if they notice abnormal changes.